To timeline. Let me explain how item master is configured in the plastic industry. Timeline plastic ERP. This is the module which I already opened over here, and I made one item like assembly number one like this. We also can assign drawing for all the items. Let me open main item where I assign the drawing, or I could have assigned drawing to this item as well. This is the way I assigned a drawing to this item, and drawing management system is altogether a different entity as far as document management system is concerned. But let me show you how drawing is assigned to this. And I'm going to, I click this blue arrow, so system is taking the focus on the drawing management module. So these are the drawings. Different revisions are listed over here. You can add unlimited revisions like this. So drawing file can be GIF, PDF, CAD file, or whatever. The way you your drawings are configured. This is another drawing, or say another uh, file, and any file of the computer can have association with the this drawing. And as far as drawing DMS, drawing management system, is something same. If I also can add a drawing classifying, providing some functions like this, and file name can be any computer file like this. uh, and then you can have unlimited drawings like this. But let's concentrate on the uh, here. This item is main item, having assembly 1 as a subpart, assembly 2 as a subpart, screw and bolt also are there, and providing, making a process of assembly. This, all the items are getting clubbed together. And if we make a view of the bill of material structure, it will be like this. This is assembly 1. Assembly 1 is having sub assemblies, or say subparts like this. Assembly 2, something said. So this is the way bill of material, and timeline is supporting n level bill of material up to n level. And let me open, this is not a plastic part. Let me open our assembly 1, which is plastic part. Assembly 1 and 2 both are plastic part. And you can assign this many group to this item. You can assign one unit, and unit conversion of this unit can be given like this. We can add another convert. There is no limit in the providing conversions like this. And let's say 1.25 maybe feet, and here is we can say 1.5 kilogram, or gram, or anything. Any unit can be taken for the conversion. Okay. And here these parameters are related to material requirement planning module. Here we can provide the weight of this item, and as I said before, these are the groups. Our item can be serial item, batch item, dimensional item, or normal item. And this item is available for sales and production. So maybe you can say that this is SFG, semi-finished item, and part of the M100 item, and that also can be sold if we want to. Okay. Now, as far as routing is concerned, setup, as this is a plastic item, setup, molding, and production, they are configured because having relationship with this uh, plastic parameters. But let's uh, as setup is any processes in timeline ERP are splitted in three parts. One is this, second is this, and third is having resources association with the resources. Here we can define the process, clicking this blue arrow. Here we will need to provide setup time, execution time for how many pieces, and those kind of things can be provided to achieve a precise production order. So I opened this process master, operation type master, where we can provide we will need to assign one department to this process, and setup time, execution time also can be provided here, and that can be overwritten over here. So setup is uh, uh, this is the setup of master of operations, where we can provide the necessary detail of process related. And if we want to make a batch process over here, we can assign a process batch as well. This system will ask for a process batch number whenever we are making a production data feedback. So this is how processes are configured, and if you want, we can add new process as well. So each process, as far as resources are concerned, we will have to assign some resources which are going to perform this process. So setup is, as far as plastic industry is concerned, setup is a kind of a process where you will assign a mold over the machine. And this is the mold, this is this is mold, this is machine which is going to be busy along with the setting up the mold, and here is the worker. We can add some more resources as well, maybe another worker, maybe specific worker. Say for an example, let me select it. I pressed F8 and system will take me to the list, and then I'll select one resource as uh, who is going to be busy with this process. So we can, these are the workers we made. We can make a specific worker as well, which is skilled worker to perform this process. Molding also will have the I saved it. Molding also will have set of this process also will have a set of the and let's add mold as well, M1. So for setup, some resources are needed. For molding, mostly same resources will be needed. Production, same process will be needed. But as far as packing is concerned, will be different resources will be needed. So let me show you how resources can be created in timeline. This is how worker is configured. Worker is created in timeline. I'm opening a resource master where you can create machines or worker, and as far as mold or pattern, mold or die is concerned, we have a different layout of the masters. This is worker, and these are the planning parameters, and here are the shift calendar which can be assigned to this specific resource. Usage rate also can be provided to it. Now let me open another resource which is yeah, I was opening a tool on machine master. So this is how mold is. Yeah, this is mold, and same way we also will need to provide the planning flag to the uh, resource or the machines, and planning can be done finitely, infinitely, or planning is not needed. Overlapping is allowed or not, and we'll have the association with shift calendar and the usage rate. And here are the rates which are used in costing calculation. I made one set, but we can have another set as well where you will provide rate 1, rate 2, and the overhead cost percentage of in percentage, and that is taken into the costing. We'll see as far as costing part is concerned, we'll visit it later. Here life cycle is maintained by system, and we also can provide some specific event as far as life cycle is concerned. And let me do that. So this is one event has been added to the life cycle, and the life cycle of the usage is concerned. System is maintaining by itself. Here once again, document management is there to support the digitization, and these are the mold related data. And here is the technical detail of this particular mold. So this is how technical details has been considered in the resource master. Let us visit mold master as well, just to give a look. This is mold master, injection molding machine master, and tool master. I mean, and here are the other parameters related to life cycle, DMS. We also can assign a specific items if this mold is working only for some specific item, then we can assign that item over here like this, something. So assembly one, we already have opened assembly one item, and this mold is assigned to assembly two. Though I will not save it, but we can do this. If this mold is meant only for this item, then one-to-one relationship will be established. And okay, so this is we saw we consider all as a resource master, which are having association with all the processes like this. Another thing is we can have n number of routing plan like this. We can we can create one more routing plan, and oh, it's not allowed. Other thing is we also can create alternative processes like this. Uh, so this is all about the resource master. Let's go to BOM. BOM is having as process is having relationship with this technical details. BOM also is having technical details with this. Part weight is this, material consumption would be almost same, and as for short weight, runner weight, startup waste, plan scrap and those kind of details can be provided. And here we'll need to mention these setup time and setup time for setup process, this process. So whenever we are making a production data feedback, we will need to provide the feedback once, twice. So we will provide feedback of setup process only once. But for molding and process, will molding also will be one kind of if first part is approved, then we will need to provide the feedback of the production and not for these two processes. So this is the way setup time, resources, processes, and bill of material is configured in uh, plastic item master. These are the plastic related details which can be, I believe, uh, can be given if we have specific documents, printed documents, something like that, then we can add that document in this document management system. That also a way we can provide these details. We can have an association with this item, printed document related having this machine, and we can add that to document management system. Here we can have the recipe management, 60 percentage, 39 percentage, and 1 percentage as far as recipe is concerned. This is one recipe. Now let me open a recipe module where you can, this is a recipe. Here we can provide the necessary detail along with the quantity unit of this item, and here is the contribution of the recipe. Granules is this much, grinding and maybe color and something like that. And as far as runner is concerned, after relating runner like this, we can, runner is added by system over here. So based on the contribution provided in this recipe management, or say which is part of this, the bill of material is calculated like this. So this is bit about item master. We'll see the other details as time passes. I'll make a production order next time, or maybe I will make a sales order first. We will visit material requirement planning, then we'll make a production order based on that, and then we'll see what to be done next. Okay, so this is bit about item master. Let me know if I'm missing something. One thing is bill of material. We can assign the time of when this when this item is needed to be consumed. Debit on routing, I mean. We also can mention the warehouse, from which warehouse this item is going to be consumed. So this is how bill of material and routing processes are concerned, or are related to the main item like this. Okay, thank you.